5 BMW cars you didn't know existed. BMW 2800 GTS Früher, unrealized prototype. Technically a BMW project that never made it to official mass production, but it did exist in prototype form. Designed by legendary stylist Pietro Früher in the late 1960s based on the E9 platform. A unique fastback design that didn't match BMW's mainstream aesthetic at the time. Only one was made, and it remains a curious chapter in BMW's design experiments. 20 Jahre BMW Motorsport E34 M5, 20th Anniversary M5. A special, very limited variant of an already beloved M car. Only 20 units were built in 1992 to celebrate 20 years of BMW Motorsport GmbH. It features special trim, motorsport badging, and unique touches unseen on normal M5s. It's coveted among collectors because of its scarcity. BMW Hydrogen 7, hydrogen-powered V12. A BMW that ran on liquid hydrogen but few people ever got to see it. A modified 7 Series outfitted with a dual-fuel engine that could run on both gasoline and hydrogen. It was luxurious, heavy, and had compromises, like less power than the gasoline counterpart. A part of BMW's early exploration into alternative fuels. Compact. Not a concept car, but it's a real production BMW that many outside Europe have never seen. A hatchback version of the 3 Series sold mostly in Europe and a few other markets. A styling was unusual, a hatchback where people expected a classic sedan or coupe, and never sold in the United States, making it unfamiliar to many BMW fans. BMW 600, Isetta 4-seater successor. A tiny city car that's not the usual Bimmer vibe, yet it was a real production model. Built from 1957 to 1959 as BMW's attempt at a post-war 4-seater economy car, evolving from the Isetta bubble car design. A re-engine layout and minicar size set it apart from typical BMW sedans. It wasn't a huge sales hit, but it is a genuine part of BMW's history and quite rare today.